Hi, welcome to the part 16. We are looking at some more questions today. If you have not yet subscribed, do so. You will gain from these contents. This channel is totally dedicated to help you with Azure, Google Cloud, and AWS Cloud certification. So this is a very beautiful question. You should always remember about the concept. Suppose you are owning the data and I am the user. So if I am using your data, you should not be charged. I should be charged. You got your answer? So this is the same question we are telling and how to do it. This is about BigQuery. BigQuery is a database. We use it for putting a lot of data in India. So options, if you see the option C, first of all, like I should be charged for the billing. So I'll create this. I'll create a job user for the on the billing project. Then I should be just a data viewer on your data so that you are not billed for the access that I am doing. So that is why option C is the right answer. Okay. So being a user on the billing project will not help here. Being a data viewer will not help because in this case, what you are doing is you are billing on, like I will be billing on your data. So you would get the bill, I will not get the bill for accessing it. So that will be wrong. Similarly here, being a data viewer on the billing project, that means I will not be billed for anything. If you own the data, you will be billed for it. That is not what we want. What is your fault if you own the data and you are sharing it with others? The people who use your data should be billed for it. Hence, option C is our answer in this case. See, this is a very unique question where all the people are not your cloud account users, but still you want them to upload the images. If that is the case, there is only one answer. Even in AWS world, there is only one answer. You have to use signed URL. That is how you can do it. If you want to give time limited access to certain people, then you can give it through this. If you're an Infosys employee and you're working for Bank of America, they give you signed URL access so that you can only have partial access or temporary access. In order to use cloud identity, you should be a Google account user, so this will not work. Same for option C, it is telling to authenticate via cloud identity, which you have to be a Google account user. And option A is a very raw solution where you're telling that I will protect it with a password and anybody who uses a password can access the data. This is a very wrong way of doing it. You should never do it in this manner. So option B is our answer where we will upload, the users will upload the images to the cloud storage using a signed URL that expires in 24 hours. This is a temporary access. Suppose you work for Bank of America and you are an Infosys employee. Infosys employee will give you only temporary access because you are a vendor. You are a vendor. Now let us quickly look at this next question. See, you need to comply with GDPR requirements. This is for EU. There are EU regulations where the data which is in Europe should not go outside. That is GDPR. So what should I use to comply with this as a architect or a, like from a web application perspective? What should I do? I should use guidance of GDPR requirements. This should be my answer. And so what happens is we will define a design for security of the data in the web application. That means so we will accordingly design it. Okay, so this is my answer. I do not see the word GDPR in option C, so I will not use it. I do not see this in the option A also, so this is wrong for me. And option B, now you might say, hey, there is a GDPR word here, can we use it? There is nothing called GDPR compliance setting. GCP is always GDPR compliant. Okay, there is already a compliance certificate that comes for the infrastructure, so that is wrong. So our answer would be option D. This is our final answer. If you have not yet subscribed, do so. It will help you with Azure, Google Cloud, and AWS certifications. Become a Cloud Kernel, Cloud Ninja member to gain access to a lot of these content. See you in the next part. This is the end of this part.